Here is a Lakewood S223 from 77, I think. This is my grandpa's box fan that he had, and I remember it pretty well from when I was a little kid. And one day it disappeared and ain't been seen for, I don't even know, 13 years maybe. And the day of his funeral, the fan popped up one day, and it about put me into tears just because I've always wanted to find this fan again. But now I have it, it ain't going nowhere. But anyway, start up on low. It is dirty. I just don't have time to clean it. But it runs pretty damn good. A little rattly. Well, it's been used. I don't use it on high often, just low. But anyway, that's it. And until next time.